As you can see, I guess the question of write an article about solar energy, and ChatGPT took the time to write an entire article for me.
ChatGPT.
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 ChatGPT. ChatGPT.
ChatGPT. Well, the internet is blown away by this technology. But the question here is, what if you were in school and the teacher told you to write an essay about how YouTube became extremely popular in the past 10 years? So what would you do in this case? Well, a few years back, you were definitely gonna start writing the essay, and it may take you 30 to an hour just spending time to write the article. But that's not the case in today's market. Today, ChatGPT have all the capability of writing an entire essay just specifically on this topic, for example. It can also answer questions like mathematical or even write an entire code about specific program. So what is ChatGPT? And how does this technology work than any other deep learning model in the market? And why does it matter to you that are watching this video? And why do you need to learn about it? And how this can help you in your future? So in this video, we're gonna answer these 3 questions, and hopefully we can get to the right answer so that maybe either today or in the near future, you can utilize this technology for your own good. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a machine learning model that was built by OpenAI. It's a very advanced language model that can generate a text similar to human written. It's extremely smart that it has been trained by a vast majority of data set to learn and answer any type of subject or any topics, and it can write an entire article by just asking questions. Isn't it amazing? It's extremely powerful that you literally just ask a question to ChatGPT and it will answer all the type of questions that you were looking for. I myself was extremely amazed by this technology and how extremely powerful that it can answer any type of questions that I have. One thing I did notice that it may not be able to answer or predict a future, but it can answer a question in the past because this machine learning model has been trained on vast variety of data set that has learned about subject, about article, about any type of script, or about even mathematics problems, or any other questions you may have. Once you search for ChatGPT, it will come up on the first list on Google search. Click on this link here. It goes to openai.com. Once you land into this page, all you need to do is just click try ChatGPT. In most cases, it will ask you to log in and create an account, which is free, so you don't have to pay for this service. Once you land into this page, you can see it has examples, capabilities, and limitation. Examples are questions that you can ask ChatGPT to answer, and capabilities are of the capability of the chat system and how it's capable of answering those questions. And also, not to mention limitation, which I mentioned, that it may not be able to answer questions like in the future or predict any kind of futures event. As you can see, I just asked ChatGPT to write a song that inspired by Eminem, and here you have it. It literally just wrote an entire song for me that I can literally just sing this song. As you can see, I even wrote, I did ask ChatGPT to write in code in Python that convert 3 to 10, which I don't know why I did that, but I just wanted to test to see how ChatGPT can have the ability to write entire code in Python. And as you can see, it literally just did that, and it's professionally written code and with explanation. I personally, if I was at school, I would use ChatGPT as a reference just to make sure my code is accurate and is correct. This is one of the best thing that could have happened to me if I was in school. But since I'm not at school anymore, I think this tool, it's a great tool that you can use it, not to cheat, but you can use this tool to verify if your code is correct. This is just if you are an engineer, if you love writing code, this tool, it's the best tool that you can use today. Now you know how to use ChatGPT. The next question would be, what can you do with ChatGPT and how can it help you in your life? So one way you can use ChatGPT is to make money. So how can you do that? So let me walk you through how you can make money by just using ChatGPT. And believe me or not, you can make between 1,000 to 5,000 per month by just using ChatGPT. So let me walk you through how you can do that. So one way you can use ChatGPT is to make money. So how can you do that? Well, here's one thing I can show you. All you need to just go to Fiverr.com, and for example, there's a lot of people that does copyright, and believe me or not, there's a lot of people online just searching for people who can do copyright for them, either for their website. So I'll give you an example. For example, this individual right here, you can see she already have 6 orders that already placed, and she's charging for only 300 words. She's charging $110, and for premium, if she end up writing over 2,000 words, which I'm sure you can do that with just ChatGPT, she's charging $560. That's insane. And she write any blogs, she write any article, and you can do the same thing. For example, you can go back to ChatGPT and you can just ask ChatGPT, write website content about dentist. Again, this is just an example. So and you just type here. Once you do that, right now ChatGPT will spend the time to write the entire website content for your client. And once it's done, all you need to do is you can take this entire article after you verify, make sure it's correct, there's no errors. If you want to add any additional information to it, feel free to do that. Once you do that, you can just go back into Fiverr, you can just submit to your client, and definitely you can make money by just doing this. So this is one way that you can utilize ChatGPT to make money by just writing content, doing copyright. Even you can also do YouTube script. One thing I can show you here is you can go back here to Fiverr and you can say guess YouTube script, and believe me, there's people on YouTube, on Fiverr, that write a script for your channel. Just an example for this person right here, you can see she has 1 order right now, and she does charge for writing a video script. She charged like up to 40 seconds, she charged $115. If it's up to 180 seconds, she charge $300. This is just an example. There's other individual like this one, for example. She also charged similar, up to 15 minutes. She charged $35. And ChatGPT does this within just a few seconds. So as you can see, it just finished writing a website content about dental practice, and it can do all different type of article that you can use for. So this is just one way that you can use ChatGPT to just make money. With ChatGPT, the possibilities for earning money, it's endless. All you need to do is you just put a little bit offer into this. You can do anything from writing content to write an entire code for your customer, and you can start making money by just doing this. So one thing I'm going to do, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube script for me that I can use to talk about this topic. So let me show you how you can do that. So the first thing is I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. I'm gonna write YouTube script about ChatGPT. That's it. I'm gonna click next. So what's gonna happen is right now ChatGPT is going to write an entire article or YouTube script for me, so I can use it for this video. So the first thing it said is welcome back to my channel, where we can cover all things about AI and technology. Today we're going to talk about one of the most impressive language models out there, which is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. It's a large language model trained on diverse range of internet text, designed to generate human-like text. Besides on the input that's received with over 175 billion parameters, it's one of the largest language model available today. That's insane. Can you believe it? And it literally just write an entire YouTube script for me so I can record this video. And also even it mentioned the conclusion, for example. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, subscribe for more content like this. Until next time. This is beautiful. I love it. I will definitely going to use this ChatGPT moving forward for all my YouTube, even for also making money with Fiverr or even work to write content for customer. I'm also going to use ChatGPT to kind of also write blogs or articles about my website. Personally, this probably will going to be like one of the most thing I'm going to be using this year. And I believe that you can utilize the exact same tool for your own good to make money. One thing is, don't use it to cheat.